What is going on, everybody? DV, me and my TV. I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass Super Bowl Sunday. Now, we got the Tampa Bay Buccaneers going against the Kansas City Chiefs. And if you guys are under the same belief that I am, this game's going to be over by halftime because I don't see how Tampa Bay is going to be keeping up with that high-powered Kansas City offense. But I know. None of y'all clicked on this video to hear me talk about football because I can go on for this for days. And I know none of y'all want to continue to look at this handsome chocolate man. Y'all want to see the brand new carbon fiber hood installed on Reaper. He's sitting just right over there. You want? Oh no, you're not getting the peek. You're getting the full view. Check this out, y'all. This carbon fiber hood that I picked is looking sick. Well, it would look better, but unfortunately, God decided he wanted it to rain yesterday after I got it detailed. So the hood isn't looking as crispy and shiny as it should, but I do have to say, even with that said, that hood is looking sick on my car. And even when you complement it with the carbon fiber fenders, them two together look sick. Now, if you're watching me for the first time, you may be wondering who I got the carbon fiber fenders from. And you may be wondering who I just got the carbon fiber hood from. Well, let me go ahead and show you, because I had to put their decal on my car to represent. Both of them are from Andersons Composites. And I do have to tell, if you guys can't see it through the camera, the fit, the finish, the quality of this carbon fiber is really top notch. And it looks good. But I do have one very important question now that I want to ask everybody who's watching this video. We got the black mixed in with the carbon fiber. Before I had the carbon fiber installed, of course, I had the stock hood with the yellow stripes on the hood. Now that I don't have them on there, I do have to say, it's not flowing right just having those yellow stripes on the front end, and especially on the back. Now, my question to everybody out there, let me go ahead and make sure I can get this thing steady. What do y'all think I should do? Remove the stripes or go ahead and put them on the carbon fiber? Now, where I'm standing right now, I really do not want to put the stripes on the carbon fiber because I think that'll kind of ruin the look. I mean, who gets a carbon fiber hood just to cover it up, with vinyl? So my question to everybody out there, what do y'all think? If this was your Camaro and you did exactly what I did, would you leave the stripes on or would you go ahead and take them off? Now, of course, if I take off the ones in the front, of course, I have to take out the ones in the rear. So for everybody out there, let me know you guys' opinions. Number one, how are you guys feeling on the hood? I know what y'all thinking on them carbon fiber fenders because it's looking sick. But the real most important question is, what do you guys think I should do about the yellow stripes? Keep them or just go ahead and let them go? Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this camera down, go ahead and get me some pizza because the game's about to come on in about, I think, like an hour and a half. So I'm going to go ahead and put this camera down, go ahead and get me some food, and hopefully enjoy a half of football before the season's completely over. But I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day, and stay tuned for that new upload.